Discover the ultimate laundry solution, a thorough evaluation of the portable washer and spin dryer combo. Simplify your laundry routine with the innovative portable washer and spin dryer combination. This small but powerful laundry duo is designed for modern life and brings convenience and efficiency to your home. This analysis will explore the features and benefits that make this comprehensive solution revolutionary in the field of washing. The user's text is about usability and convenience factors. This portable washer and spin dryer combo is designed with user convenience in mind. This appliance has a top-loading design that makes it easy to load and unload clothes. This design reduces the need for bending and reaching. This appliance allows consumers to customize their laundry washing experience with rotary controls for wash and spin cycles, program selection, and drain options. You can use it right away without needing to install anything complicated because it comes with a power cord and drain line. Compact and efficient design. This washer has a unique twin tub design. A compact washing machine with a spin dryer allows you to wash and dry at the same time without needing extra appliances or space. The washing machine can wash many types of clothes. The machine has a 250 watts motor and a maximum laundry capacity of 7.7 pounds. You can watch your clothes being cleaned through the glass window of the washing machine. The 120 watt spin dryer is a good complement to the washing machine. The washer can handle smaller loads, delicate garments, and fast-drying goods with a load capacity of 3.3 pounds. This feature is great for people with limited space or those who need fast drying. In numerous academic domains, efficiency and adaptability play a crucial role. These concepts enhance performance and adaptability in various scenarios. Experience the power of the portable washer and spin dryer combo, which not only ensures impeccable cleaning but also conserves significant amounts of water and energy. Our washing machine is capable of handling loads ranging from 5 to 10 kilograms, so you can confidently wash both your lighter everyday clothes and heavier items such as bed linens and towels. Spin cycles are incredibly effective in removing excessive water from clothes, greatly accelerating the drying process. No need to install anything. Gone are the days of intricate plumbing and installations. The portable washer and spin dryer combo is user-friendly and doesn't require any setup. This feature is great for renters and people who move often because it doesn't need to be permanently installed or change your home. Characteristics and branding. This laundry solution from mainland China is very versatile. This device runs on 110 volts and generates more than 2000 watts, which helps save energy and increase efficiency. The product is of excellent quality and has well-designed features and functions, even though it doesn't have a brand name. In conclusion, the reasons mentioned above support the idea that the portable washer and spin dryer is a revolutionary appliance that makes doing laundry easier, faster, and more versatile. The product is ideal for optimizing laundry operations. The product features a user-friendly interface, a dual tub layout, durable motors, and a space-saving design, all while maintaining high quality. This combo is perfect for busy professionals, small apartment dwellers, and those who want efficient laundry solutions. No more carrying heavy loads to the laundromat or dealing with complex installations. Farewell to the past. Doing laundry today is easy and practical.